Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. I'm Isa Filipino. We talk today about the history of bartending. Number one question. How do you think the history of bartending affect our present situation? The history of bartending has had a profound impact in our present situation, shaping not only the way we consume alcohol, but also our social interaction, cultural norms, and even the economic landscape. From ancient times to the modern era, bartending has evolved alongside social shifts, technology, advancements, and changing tastes. Number 2. Who is the father? Who is the first bartender in the world? The founding of modern bartending is Jerry the Professor Thomas, the original cocktail showman. Number 3. Which countries are pretty active in bartending? Number 1, United Kingdom. Number 2, Australia with its unique sights and vibrant nightlife. Number 3, Spain. Number 4, Thailand. Number 5, United States. Number 4 question, what is the purpose of bartending in society? The purpose of bartending in society to work directly with the customers by mixing and serving drink orders. Their responsibilities include verifying our requirements, knowing alcohol, pairing and taste, knowing how to make traditional and classy drinks.